A very warm welcome to everyone present here. I am Devika Vedkar, a member of the organizing committee of the 4th NALSAR CCI Antitrust Moot Court Competition 2025. It is my honor to welcome you all to the closing ceremony as we conclude 3 days of intense competition, exceptional mooting, and some very close wins. It is with great pleasure that I announce that this edition witnessed an astounding 121 registrations, making it the largest antitrust moot of the nation. On the panel here today, we are graced with the presence of Honorable Justice N.V. Shravan Kumar, who is a judge of the High Court of Judicature for the state of Telangana. I request our Vice Chancellor, Shri Krishna Dev Rao, to present Sir with a token of appreciation. We are also pleased to host Shri Sukesh Mishra, Director for Law at the Competition Commission of India. Thank you, sir, for joining us as a judge for the final round. I request the organizing committee head, Shiva Mittal, to present sir with a token of appreciation. Next, we would like to thank Senior Advocate Raj Shekhar Rao. Sir was also on the finals bench, and his probing questions made the teams really work for the winning spot. I request Shiva to present sir with a token of appreciation. We are delighted to have amongst us Mr. Gautam Chawla and Mr. Rudresh Singh, partners at Trilegal, for being on the bench for the finals. Mr. Gautam Chawla has extended his gracious support to the organizing committee throughout the competition. I invite Shiva to present Mr. Chawla with a token of appreciation. I now invite Shiva to present Mr. Rudresh Singh with a token of appreciation. I would like to thank our very own Vice Chancellor for his support in successfully organizing the 4th edition of this competition. And lastly, we would like to thank our faculty convener, Mr. Saurabh Bharti, for his help and guidance throughout the organization of this moot. I would also like to extend our gratitude on behalf of the organizing committee to the judges for the semi-finals, quarterfinals, and preliminary rounds. We were pleased to have amongst us as judges of the semi-finals, Mr. Rishabh Juneja, Mr. Ankush Walia, Ms. Kritika Ramesh, Mr. Divya Sharma, Ms. Bhavna Gulati, Mr. Arpit Gupta, Ms. Mamta Chaudhary, and Mr. Vinay Bhatia. I would now like to invite the Honorable Justice to say a few words.
Good afternoon, all. At the outset, I would like to extend my warm greetings to the Vice Chancellor, Sri Krishna Deva Rao Garu, and commend NALSAR University of Law, Hyderabad, for organizing the 4th NALSAR CCI Antitrust Moot Court competition. I'm happy to be here today, and I sincerely thank the university for inviting me as a chief guest at this valedictory program. I encourage all students to participate in such competitions as they shape you and prepare you for the next level in your career. Moot court competitions are not just about testing your legal knowledge, they equip you with an entire arsenal of skills essential for building a strong career in law. They are indispensable part of law students' journey, effectively bridging the gap between the theory and practice. These mock trials simulate real-world legal proceedings, give you first-hand experience of courtroom dynamics, helping you hone practical legal skills and building your confidence in a courtroom setting. Mooting can also help you leave a lasting impression on recruiters, especially when you meet them at competitions. A partner from a law firm might be impressed by your performance and offer you an internship or even a job. Lastly, congratulations to all the winners who will be going to be declared now. But remember, nobody loses here. You always have a good case for appeal. So get ready and prepare well. Wishing you all the very best in your future endeavors. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you for the wise words and guidance, sir. I would now like to invite our Vice Chancellor to say a few words.
Justice Shravan Kumar Garu and Sukesh Mishra, and happy to see Rashekar Rao was one of our student in NLS Bangalore, senior advocate, and Gautam Chawla, Rudresh Singh, and all friends and the committee members. Always, lawyering is something, as I said in the inaugural, khade ho jana, standing on your feet. I was there for some time had a glimpse of the final rounds. And I could see how the panel started grilling. I think that is what is required. The initial testing the metal. All the advocates you ask, they'll say, isko metal test karna hai. Testing of the metal is good. I'm happy to know that there was a grilling happen. And I think that's from there you will come, you survive. And then Professor N.R. Madhav Menon, founder of the National Law School movement, always used to say that you have to struggle, survive. I think that's the first test. And best wishes to all of you. Company law, particularly the Antitrust Competition Commission is gaining a lot of momentum. We have seen several of these mergers and acquisitions it has been taking, and hopefully Competition Commission will move forward with much more strategies and provide major, what we call as the India leading towards the major sought after destination for the companies and corporations in the future to come. All the best and best wishes.
Without further ado, let's go to the moment that we've all been waiting for, the award ceremony. The first award is the Best Memorial for the respondent side. And the winners are Team Code 83, which is an open team comprising of Swasti Jain, Mandar Mudsinghe, and Mandar Latpade. I see that Team Code 83 is not amongst us. However, we send our warm wishes to them. For the Best Memorial Appellant, the award goes to Team Code 6, an open team comprising of Arohi Malpani, Noor Paramjeet Singh, and Simone Vedya, all from MNLU Mumbai. I invite the Vice Chancellor, sir, to please present them with the award. Yes. Congratulations. Now for the best researcher based on the researcher's test, the award goes to Team Code 38, Swastika Khandelwal from the National Law School. I invite Mr. Rudresh Singh to please present the winner with the award. Thank you, sir. For the best speaker in the finals round, and this is an intense debate among the bench, or so I hear, the best speaker finals goes to Akshita from the Symbiosis Law School, Noida. I invite Mr. Gautam Chawla, sir, to please present Akshita with the award. For the best speaker overall, across all oral rounds, the highest scorer is Bhumika Bansal from the National Law School. Your teammate can receive the award on your behalf. I invite Mr. Rajshekhar Rao to please present the award. Now, for the most awaited moment of all, after extremely intense competition, the winners of the 4th NALSAR CCI Antitrust Moot Court competition are Team Code 19 from SLS Noida. The team comprises of Akshita Goyal, Harshit Kumar, and Aryan Jain. I invite the Honorable Justice N.V. Shravan Kumar to please present the team with the award. Thank you, sir, and congratulations, team. On that note, the runners-up of the 4th NALSAR CCI Antitrust Moot Court competition are Team Code 6, an open team comprising of Arohi Malpani, Noor, and Simone Vaidya. I invite Mr. Sukesh Mishra to please present them with the award. Sir, I would like to invite you, if you don't mind, to please say a few words to the gathering.
I was actually very happy that I have been maybe ignored or maybe escaped. So I was very happy in that sense because I'm not very comfortable to speak. Nonetheless, since chance has been given to speak, so I will say a few words. First of all, this sitting chief guest on dais, Honorable Justice Shravan Kumar sir, the Honorable Judge in Telangana High Court, Krishna Dev Rao sir,
the Honorable Vice Chancellor of NASLAR, my friend Rajshekhar Rao, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court and High Courts, and Rudresh from Trilegal, and my dear friends. So it is always a pleasure to do moots, because this is what you people have this luxury. We were talking amongst each other when 25 years back. In our time, there was no concept of this, or maybe it was hardly very popular. So our real test was actually happened in the court, because I remember first time my senior asked me to go and argue the case in the civil court, and very second day of my practice. And I forgot everything before the civil judge in civil court in Madina here in the old city in Hyderabad, because I practiced here only. And I forgot everything. And there was a issue with regard to issuance of interim order under order 39, rule 1 and 2. So the judge was, the presiding officer was very, very generous on me. And she then ultimately helped me to ease out that particular tension of arguing first time. So ultimately, when you are arguing the case in the moots, so it would be an added opportunity and advantage to you people for preparing yourself for times to come. And if I would say that maybe if you are thinking to maybe come and practice in the courts, because mostly I found that maybe these days youngsters are not very keen to practice and they look their career elsewhere. But since I actually practiced, and now I think maybe I can be seconded by Mr. Rajshekhar Rao, who is actually in the court. So I'm having pretty jealous with him, because when I see that when he argued before the Competition Commission of India, I got the opportunity to hear him, or in high courts or maybe in Supreme Court. So it is a real pleasure when you are taking a case for your client before the courts. So these kind of this forum give very good opportunity for all of you to prepare yourself for in times to come. And I think in moot court, what I found is missing, that you are totally focused on your this particular brief. Apart from that, you need to have little bit humorous when you are actually going in courts. So you have little sense of humor with you. And any out of box question can be asked by the presiding officer to you. So be prepared for that. And for that, you need to read thoroughly, not only on your particular brief, read other subjects, read the procedural laws, which is very important. So I think maybe you can gradually pick it up when you are concentrating on your moot proposition. Read other aspects of law also. Give focus. So my all the best and wishes to you for your bright future, those who are sitting in front of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. I'd like to invite Senior Advocate Rajshekhar Rao to please address us.
Good evening, everybody. His Lordship, Justice Shravan Kumar, my Professor, Guru, Professor KDR, my friends, Mr. Mishra, Gautam Rudresh, and the future. So I am a litigator, as you know, and the reason I'm a litigator is because I think I mooted every trimester of my existence in the National Law School, from my first year, last term, till my last term in my fifth year. And I think the result is, it taught me how to love the law. It taught me how to be, and as Professor KDR was saying, it taught me how to be on my feet. So I am what I am because of exactly what you've gone through now. And I must compliment NALSAR on a fabulously organized moot. As you were being told, we struggled to find the winner in this round. It's never easy, and that's the point that Justice Shravan Kumar was making. Everybody walks away from a moot as a winner, as long as you walk away with something from it. Things to do, and more importantly, things not to do. Right? And I agree with Mr. Mishra. A moot, the difference between a moot court and a courtroom is a moot ability to showcase your skills without fear of winning or losing. Right? So you have to be able to use those 18 minutes. Everybody has the same 18 pages. You all have the same 18 minutes. It is what you make of those 18 minutes and tell the tribunal or the bench that you are different. How are you different from the others who have access to the same set of resources? That is really what defines you from the others. And that is again what defines you as a lawyer. You all have access to the same precedent, both parties cite the same judgment, and you have the ability to persuade a judge. So these are life lessons, these continue. And like I said, as long as you walk away with something positive from here, that's your skill set. On other fronts, as Mr. Mishra points out, these are opportunities. You take each opportunity, squeeze it for what you have, and move on to the next one. I was always reminded as a young mooter that you're only as good as your last moot. As a litigator, you're only as good as your last brief. So the whole joy is, it's like writing an exam every day where the subject matter is disclosed to you the night before. So that's the joy of litigation, the unpredictability of it, and the sheer beauty of it. So enjoy the ride. I hope to see a lot more of you in litigation. That is my passion, and I keep telling people the courts need young lawyers and people who really, really are passionate about it. So congratulations on a job well done, and all the best for a very, very bright future.
Thank you so much, sir. I hope you have inspired at least some of us to take up litigation. Mr. Rudresh Singh, if I could invite you to please address.
Honorable Justice Shravan Kumar, Honorable Professor Krishna Deva Rao, Shri Rajshekhar Rao, Mr. Sukesh Mishra, Gautam. It was a pleasure, to judge the finals. Like Sir said, it was a very closely fought competition where even after we heard all of you, we weren't sure which way to go. It was a very minor difference, and it could honestly have gone either way. Trilegal is delighted to continue the sponsorship. This is our third year, and we hope to, hopefully take this forward for a couple of more years. Given how good all of you were on the finals, we've just had a chat and decided to offer internships to all the 6 of you over the course of the next 1 year. So feel free to take that on, and we look forward to having all of you over at Trilegal for an assessment internship. Hopefully that will result in something more meaningful for at least some of you. With that, I won't take more time. Thank you so much, all of you, for being judges with us, and we look forward to our continued association with NALSAR. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Mr. Chawla, if
Well, thank you. Well, the last 3 days have been really, really intense. Thank you very much. This has already done the felicitations. So, Justice Kumar, Professor Rao, Senior Advocate Rao, Rudresh, all of you. Thank you very, very much. It's been fantastic the last 3 days. We've seen some intense competition. We've heard from all the judges, and they've given feedback about all of you. The intensity in terms of the participation was great in this tournament. It's the biggest antitrust moot. We're delighted to sponsor it over the last 3 years and then look forward to the next couple of years. Congratulations to all of you. You're all winners regardless of the results, and look forward to being back. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Lastly, to conclude this closing ceremony, I would like to invite the head of our organizing committee, Shiva Mittal, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Honorable judges, esteemed guests, respected faculty, participants, and my dear friends. It is my privilege and honor to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of the organizing committee for the 4th NALSAR CCI Antitrust Moot Court competition. We have all had a very long day, so I would like to keep it short. First and foremost, I would like to extend a very heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Justice N.V. Shravan Kumar, Shri Sukesh Mishra, Mr. Rajshekhar Rao, Mr. Gautam Chawla, and Mr. Rudresh Singh for gracing the final rounds as a distinguished panel of judges. Your invaluable insights and expertise have enriched this competition, and we are truly grateful for your time and support. A special thanks to our Vice Chancellor, Sir, and our Moot Court Committee Faculty Convener, Professor Saurabh Bharti, for their unwavering support and encouragement in making this moot possible. A special note of appreciation to our partners, the Competition Commission of India and Trilegal, for their unwavering support and commitment to fostering mooting culture and competition law scholarship. We truly look forward to our continued association, sirs. And lastly, to the fellow members of my organizing committee, I extend my deepest gratitude. Your dedication and hard work over the past few weeks have ensured the seamless execution of this competition. This mood would not have been possible without the commitment and enthusiasm that each and every one of you have shown. I would also like to mention all the players who are not really visible, but they work behind the scenes. A special thanks to the IT department, the engineering department, the photography team, all the non-teaching and the supportive staff who have relentlessly worked in handling venue preparations, refreshments, and the coordination for making this event a success. We would also like to extend our gratitude to SCC and EBC, who are our knowledge partners. Lastly, as we conclude this edition of the NASLAR CCI Antitrust Moot Court competition, we hope that all participants had an enriching competition, one that challenged their legal acumen, sharpened their advocacy skills, and fostered new friendships. Thank you all once again, and we look forward to welcoming you back for future editions of this competition. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Sirs, if we could take a picture with you right outside. Thank you so much, participants. It has been an absolute pleasure to host you, and we hope to see you again. The teams who are present in Sarkla right now, we can give you your certificates, so please stay back for that. If you guys could come up to me and tell me your team code. I think